guys, it's Yoshi7 Plays, and today we're tracking a tropical storm, my buddy. I'm joking. Why did I say that? I always say these jokes because it's my bud business. Anyway, guys, we're talking tropical storm Bud, and here it is. So it's gonna go out into the Eastern Pacific as a depression on the 11 a.m. Saturday. Not too bad, and nothing here and nothing over here yet. So the other thing is just, and now, let's go into its status. Hold on, let me see how I... Hold on, let me see. Alright. Okay, guys. Looks like we can't really do anything about it, but yeah. And it's probably gonna go not this far out. I don't think so, but yeah, we'll see. And nothing in the Atlantic besides Boro, you know, the Category 1 hurricane. But that's okay, guys. It's a tropical storm, so not that much to talk about. Yeah. So we don't know what's gonna go. And if you guys, please like and subscribe. Bye.